Welcome back to DIY Pneumatic Lab, where we take pneumatics, electrical stuff and my questionable DIY skills and see what happens. Today, at last, we are ready to test our can smasher. In the last video, I assembled it. It looks like this. It's a little clumsy here and there. It's actually not super even here. This way, it seems super legit. And here it's super legit, but if we start to measure, it's like 72 millimeters here and 76 millimeters here, so at least 4 millimeters difference is not good, but I think it's not crucial at this point because I dying to test out this can smasher. Also, this part, I think it will be something that I will rebuild as soon as possible, but at this point it is what it is. And first of all, what we need to do today, we need to understand what the pneumatic scheme will be used, and let's draw it here, and then I think I just will put in normal drawing from, I don't know, some online constructor or something. So we have this pressure, it's going like here, and we have this 5.2 bistable manual valve. It's working like in both ways. We put it here, and basically it goes to cylinder. When I push down, it goes down. When I turn up, it goes up. But it's even simple that it sounds, because yeah, actually we go pressure for system here, and the air will go this way or that way. Simple as that. Okay, and now what we need to again screw in everything and hope that everything will work. And also I will put this flow not meter but flow adjustment stuff. I forgot how it calls really, just to regulate the speed of cylinder. First of all, I think it won't be necessary because we have very small airflow, but why we shouldn't use it if we have some. Okay, then let's speed up this video. I guess we are done. Yeah, I scratched a lot, everything that I could, but it's not about beauty, right? Whoop, some dirt. Oopsie. Whoops. There are special scissors for this stuff, for tubing cutting in pneumatics, but since I haven't bought them, I will use this way. Anyhow, it's still pretty clean cut, so who cares? Okay, this bad boy have direction, so it's working like from this to this. This is how it slows down the flow, and this path, it's not slowing anything. But in cylinder we need to think like how to call it, from other side. Technically we want to not to stop flow to coming in cylinder, but otherwise we want to stop the air going out of cylinder, so I need to put it like this. Okay, since I want basic position that cylinder is in, I think correctly, this is going here. This is going here. Let's close it. And also this one. Oof. Okay, let's connect it to our system. And where's the RAM? It's our first test. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I forgot to turn it on. Theoretically, if this flow switch also is like turned off right now. Theoretically, if I start opening it, it will start to compensate all this volume of air. Okay, let's see what will happen. Nothing, but because I think we totally closed this. Backwards is also not going nowhere because you see, yes, how to control this speed I need to open this, not this side. Okay. Let's go here. It was super fast because I feel this a little smell of plastic, burnt plastic, and our compressor is not working anymore. Okay, it was very fast. Very fast journey with this compressor, but okay, I guess we just need to buy the new one, normal one, and try it. Well, actually, that was not the case, I guess. Or it was. It's totally open. Let's totally open also this, also this. What will happen if we totally close this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, we have some fire hazard here. So I guess fun is over. We burned it off. Totally. I don't know, do you see? Oh, okay. My bad. My bad. It's a very stupid idea to do this. Yeah. I burned all the wires. Oh well. Because Oops. Yeah, I shouldn't do that like this way, because basically it's coil now, and it start to heat up and just start to smoke, and now it's dead. Okay, I made a little investigation. I make some repairs, and it seems that we are back in business. We are working. Everything is fine so far again. But what we can learn from this situation, first of all, I was a little bit stupid to make this bunch of wires, because they are totally melted. Second one, I was super lucky that it wasn't like a bigger voltage, only 12 volts. But the third one, never buy compressor from China, because actually, yes, these wires are super thin, and there's so not a lot of pins. And if you remember, if you saw my previous video, this compressor have what 12 amps or something, so wires became pretty hot pretty soon, and this is a result. And actually, this is why you use certificate electrician when you do something in the somewhat important, because yeah, imagine if it's somewhere under your walls or somewhere, and it's just start melting and burn. Okay, but we are back. Yeah, now we have here like what, 6-7 bars. And we stopped again. It's interesting because I turned it off. Okay, so far so good. So I think it's time to our major test. Put can here, see what happens. But I think it's better if we change our perspective from the side, because it is pretty high, and I don't believe that you can see something from this point of view. Okay, I guess this angle will be a little bit better. Okay, it's time. Let's sum up. Theoretically, cylinder will produce something like 65, 70 kilos of pressure on this can, and can, as we tested, will start to broke at like start to squeeze around 50-55 kilos. And I guess it's time to count down. 3, 2, 1, go. Nothing happened. I guess reason is that actually this compressor on this pressure gauge is not producing this pressure that we hope, like 70 bars, because yeah, cylinder is cylinder, physics are physics, and it's just pressure and surface. So we checked surface is okay, only the pressure could be the issue. Now it's twice as much than before. And okay, let's try one more time. Still nothing. Yep, we smoke again, but this time from inside. Oh. Sometimes it is what it is. So basically this compressor is not producing these 20 bars, and when we want them to produce it, it starts to smoke. So I guess we will need to postpone this test video because I need to order normal compressor. It was fun, but it's not working at all. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one video, when I hope we will play around with normal compressor, not this stuff, because yeah, theoretically cylinder could smash this can, but it doesn't do it because of, I think, that pressure we can't reach the pressure we need. So bye.